I didn't see anyone who makes a chalik. I'll end off. We have 10 seconds, so I'll take 90. I'll just end up with a Vardan Tshuva. A kasha. Rav Yerucham as a kasha. Amar Rav Akiva. No? Yisrael. Ma mikvah avakadosh baruch hu v'taras Yisrael. The Kal Yisrael is praiseworthy. Why? Because Hashem is mitayar us. Correct? Rav Yerucham Olshan, I don't understand. Can you just like play this out? You go visit the Gadol Adar, you go visit the king, go visit the president, you sit down to the Suda, and you're a slob, and you spill all over the white tablecloth, and then you knock over the chalent, and when you leave, the tablecloth is gross, and then you puke your brains out, and it's all over the tablecloth, and then for good matters, as you're leaving, the kid has an accident, and the diaper opens up, and it falls over the tablecloth, and the Gadol Adar, the king, the president says, don't worry, I got this. And he picks up the tablecloth. He says, oh, I'm going to wash it with my own hands. And do you feel good about what you just did? Ashreichem Yisrael. Praiseworthy is Klal Yisrael, because Avinu Shebashamayim, your loving Father, the creator of the world, is cleaning your dirty underwear. That's good. This is a praise. Ashreichem, that Hashem takes our sin sullied begadim. Hashem takes our throw up and our garbage. What we learned many times, right? Mikel Kamecha, what's all the Mishalim, right? It's your mamish, you're sitting there and Hashem is clean. So why is that praiseworthy? So Rav Yerucham quotes a Maharal. But the Maharal says that the Oifen HaTshuva of Yom Kippur is different than other Oifanas HaTshuva. I'm not a bucky in Tshuva. You can ask Rabbi Davis for that one, whether this fits with the Rambam's Mahalach or not fits. Do you need to have the Mahalachim of Tshuva Yom Kippur? I have absolutely no clue. I'll just repeat to what he says. He says that the way the Yom Kippur works is that his lashon is that you're mevatel yourself to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. The mashal that I thought of, that I think works, and we'll say it hopefully, and then with this we'll conclude. And this is why it is Ashreichem Yisrael. Someone goes to the park with their kid, and they're playing, and all of a sudden the kid wanders off, the kid gets lost. And everyone's bepachad, the 3-year-old is missing, and they go search, and they're searching throughout the night. What do you say? Yeah, it's all going to be good. Don't worry about it. It comes home at the end of the day, right? So, searching throughout the night, and the mamish, nothing. Chaverim, Shomrim, the Gansa, everyone's out. Comes the next morning, the sun coming up, everyone's searching, the father's searching, everyone's searching. And next door to the park, there's a farm. It's a farm. And they're searching, and they're going through everything. And the father sees there's a stable. And they're looking through everywhere, and next to the stable is, all the horses, and next to where all the horses are is where the horses, they pile up all their, their stuff, the manure, the fertilizer, their stuff. And as the father everyone's searching, and they've been searching now for 12 hours, and as the father gets closer, and there's flies, and it's pretty nasty, and he can't even, whatever, he sees it moving a little bit. He's like, what? And then, like, from a distance, he notices, like, is that figure inside? He starts screaming out his kid's name, and then what he sees is that his little 3-year-old stumbled into the pile of manure and he fell asleep there. And now he just woke the kid up, and the kid gets up. At that moment, does the father think that the kid's covered in whatnot? No. Father just goes in for the embrace. Yom Kippur is the embrace with HaKadosh Baruch Hu. On Yom Kippur, when we come to Hashem and we say to Hashem, I'm yours, it doesn't make a difference how dirty and disgusting we are. The tshuva of Yom Kippur, says the Maharal, is bittul to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Is we don't eat, we don't drink, we don't have any of the chami shinuyim. We're mamish like malachim, says the Tan Zver Rabbi Eliezer. So what are we right now? We're just a shtick waiting there to be part of Hashem. So we're covered in sin. Hashem is sitting there mitayr eslem. Yes, that's a shvach to Klal Yisrael. Because the way that it works is that we go and we embrace, and all we want to do is be better. And Mirz Hashem, we should all have the schos that HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Avinu Shebashamayim, should be mitaher us once again. And maybe more importantly, we should have the schos to figure out a way that next year we don't go back to play in the manure. And then next year we don't go back to all our same issues, and rather utilize Yom Kippur as the incredible Yom HaKadosh that it is. As Yisrael said famously, the milos that one can get from the Yom Noraim is more than any other day. And hopefully we should come out with the appropriate Kabbalahs, with the appropriate mindset, with the appropriate steps, that in the coming year, Once we leave pure, pristine, and white, we're going to get dirty, but it shouldn't be as dirty. B'siyata dishmaya.